Today I'm going to be talking about my top 2 favorite transitions that I use in almost every project in Davinci Resolve. Let me show you. Once you guys are in Davinci, make sure you have your footage on the timeline. It doesn't have to be a crazy guy screaming into the microphone like you see here in this video, but just grab your video footage. We're going to be overlaying this graph because, you know, finances. Once you guys got that, you have this basic transition, which is no transition at all. And we're going to show you how to make it a little bit smoother and 2 ways that you can do that. So the first transition for this video is going to be the slide transition. Go ahead and come up to your effects tab, open it up, go to video transitions, and you can find the slide guy right in here under motion. So for these transitions, they go on either end of your video clips. So you can either attach it to the beginning or the end of your video clip. You can't just throw it on in between. I'm just going to throw it on the beginning and the end so that way you can kind of see what it does. Also have this text guy up here that I just wanted to surprise you guys with because it's some crazy stuff. We're just going to throw that on the beginning and the end of that as well so you can visually see kind of what this effect is doing. So as you kind of saw there, the video kind of slid on as well as the text slid on and then wiped itself away as the transition went along. So this one's great if you want to show something on the screen for a couple seconds and then maybe kind of have it wipe off the screen. It's great. You can actually come in here with these transitions and you can come down here and click on them and extend them by dragging them out. You can also come up and open up the inspector tab by clicking on the image, going to transition, and you can change the duration of the transition by changing this dial right here, just clicking and dragging on it, as well as you can come over to the way it slides in. A lot of times you see these come from the bottom up, so I'm just going to change both of them to bottom up. Boom. And you can play around with the ease. When in doubt, ease in and out. So we're just going to go with that and show you what that kind of looks like. It kind of comes in a little bit smoother, the transition itself. So there's a lot of different cool things that you guys can do with these transitions. Now we got the second transition. Let me just remove these here by clicking and deleting on them. We got this guy and this guy. Second transition is going to be very similar. It's just going to be a push. But however, instead of sliding itself away, as you'll see in a second, it's going to be more of a push away. So it won't really wipe itself off the screen, as it more is like a hand is like, if you ever push an object, you're going to be pushing it off the screen. So you can see here. So we got the push, and then maybe I will duplicate this text layer so I can show you kind of what a slide is, or maybe not, because Davinci's gonna crash. Okay, so as I was saying, maybe we can duplicate this layer, this text layer, so I can show you them back to back. So now we can just change this animation to a slide, change this one to a slide, and now you can kind of see them back to back. So we got this one, which is the push, then we got this one, which is the slide. So the push pushes things off the screen, you know, basic. The other one slides and wipes away whatever image it is. So kind of like erases the text. Now, if you guys liked this video, I actually got another crazy design video that you guys might like. If you like to draw, this time it's going to be in Davinci Resolve, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it with polylines. I'll link that one right here, 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 or here. You can find it and check it out.